Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll check out the asset management system. So first you have to sign in with the details. Then it will show the dashboard, and here you can check the total assets and assets, assignment, request, and students. It will show the details, and just click on the asset and then add a new asset. You have to enter the details like asset name, category, status, serial number. Like I have selected the asset name Lenovo, category laptop, status available, and serial number Lenovo 001, and description computer, and then click on add asset. So it will add the asset, and just click on dashboard. So it will show the total asset available. Let's click on asset, and here assignment, where you can assign the asset to student. You have to just select the asset, and you can check out the student detail. So let's log in with the different account. You have to enter the username and password, then click on sign in button. So it will show the my assign assets, browse asset, and the my request. You can check the available asset, send the request it, and admin will approve that particular request. So why do you need Lenovo? Just need for study. Then click on OK button. So request sent to the admin. This will be the request. Now let's log in with the username and password of admin. Enter the email of admin and enter the password. Then click on sign in. So it will open the admin dashboard where you can check out the total assets, assignment, request. These are the requests, like you can approve and reject the request. Admin note, okay. These are the student and dashboard. So it will show the assets in the use and available, where you can edit the asset like available or in use. You can update the detail here. It will show the dashboard and the assignments. Click on OK. The request. So whenever a student needs the asset, then you have to just request from their portal, and it will send to the admin portal where admin can approve the request. Okay, this will be the complete asset management system, and let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.